Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Apple HomeKit with August Smart Lock step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that your August Smart Lock is properly installed on your door. Open the August app on your smartphone. If necessary, sign in with your account credentials. Tap on the Home tab located at the bottom of the screen. Select the smart lock you want to authorize with Apple HomeKit. In the lock settings, look for the HomeKit setup option. Tap on Authorize HomeKit or Add to HomeKit. A setup code will appear on your screen. Use this code for pairing with HomeKit. Open the Apple Home app on your device. In the Home app, tap on the plus icon to add an accessory. Select Add Accessory from the options. Your HomeKit will begin searching for nearby devices. When prompted, scan the setup code displayed on your August app. Follow any additional on-screen instructions to complete the pairing. Once authorized, your August Smart Lock will appear in the Home app. You can now control your lock using Siri or the Home app. Ensure your lock is connected to Wi-Fi for remote access. Test the integration by locking and unlocking your door using the Home app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.